In this video, we're going to be painting an old mirror and giving it new life. Stay tuned, it's all coming up next. What's going on, folks? Ken with Renos for Pros and Joes, helping you simplify the renovation and remodeling process. On this channel, we do hands-on product, tool, and gear reviews, as well as renovation tip and strategy videos. So if you're interested in renovation, remodeling, repair, real estate, home improvement, or property maintenance, then subscribe, because this channel and this content is for you. So in today's video, we are going to be revitalizing an old mirror by painting it and bringing it back to life. Okay, so the first order of business is to clean up all this dust and everything off of this mirror. We're going to go over the glass as well as the wood. Our goal is to remove any type of grime as well as anything that may be sticky, because we want to help ensure that our paint is going to have a smooth surface to be able to adhere to, and we don't want to have anything on this wood or on the glass that is going to potentially compromise our overall finish. So let's go ahead and start cleaning up. Let's go ahead and just finish this thing off officially and just go ahead and try to wipe down some of our glass here. I'm actually interested to see how well this chemical will clean this glass. It's actually looking less and less likely that this is going to work, just based solely on the amount of debris that is falling from this tree. Trees, I should say. As I said, this is not a final clean. I just wanted to go ahead and get as much of this grime onto this rag instead of starting fresh when I knew that a new towel was just going to get just as dirty as this one. As you can see, it's pretty clean here. Now, the concern that I had was right here. There's a rough area right here, and then kind of a little rough area right there, and then a little bit of a rough area right there. And I think those are pretty much all of the areas that present the biggest concerns. So we're just going to use our sander to just go over that really, really lightly. So this is what it looks like now. And the next thing we're going to do is going to be to tape off the perimeter. Hopefully we'll be able to go ahead and paint this thing outside so we can find a location where we don't have to worry about this straw and debris falling nearly as much as we're having to worry about it right now. All right, folks, I'm back for the big reveal. Remember that we started off with a regular brown wooden mirror, and we have since upgraded this to a unique accent piece. I'm happy with the way that it came out. Hopefully you all like it too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.